to enter recovery mode in the Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL, I'll show the key combination, the first part, and then we'll do it together. So we need to press and hold both power and volume up for 10 seconds, then we will release. We then press and hold power and volume down for around 15 to 20 seconds until we enter the fast boot mode. Unlike Samsung's, we don't need to connect the phone, so don't worry about that. So pause the video, prepare your device. I'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down, do not release. I'll start counting now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume up. Now press and hold power and volume down. And release this when we see the fast boot mode. I'm going to cut the video so it's a little bit faster. Once you see this screen with the fast boot mode, release from the buttons. Now I took too long, so the phone just turned back off. So I'm going to press and hold power and volume down again. So I see fast boot mode. When you see that red, just release. So we've re-entered the fast boot mode. So we're going to click volume up. And we'll keep on clicking until we see recovery mode. And then we'll click the power button to select this. We will then see no command. So any second now, I'll show that. So the command is while holding the power button, click and release volume down, then volume up, and now we're in the recovery mode. So the touchscreen doesn't work here. So you click and release volume down and up to navigate, and then you click the power button to select your option. So I hope this one helps.